Hello everyone, my name is Reetu Mehta. I'm a yoga therapist and a fitness instructor teaching in Belgium since the past 22 years. Today, we will learn 3 things that you must do every single day to enhance your lung capacity and to improve your posture to help us in this uncertain time. So let's begin now with the first technique. In a sitting position, with your legs extended, pull the bottom out that you're sitting up long and tall and upright. Then flex your feet so that you feel that stretch in the length of the leg. Pull your spine and torso long and tall. Take your right hand and take it to the opposite leg in that direction. Hold on to the left toe and bend both your toes together. Flex that foot, holding both the toes. Take the other hand out in line with your shoulder and extend your spine long and tall, leaning a little forward and not behind, and pulling up yourself and holding this stretch. Letting the chest shoulders open. Then you connect both your hands, take your left hand towards the right toe and then hold both the big toes together. Pull yourself up long and tall and then open and extend to the other side. Taking the chin to look in line with your back shoulder, pulling your spine up tall. Your back hand should be in line with your shoulder, not higher up but straight in line, and pull your spine up tall. Then again connect, change, take the right hand and hold both the toes and pull up long, lengthening the spine. So this not only, repeat on the other side, helps to improve your posture and open the chest. It corrects and pulls the shoulders back, and it lengthens and stretches your entire length of the legs, and it helps you improve your lung breathing capacity as you work towards opening the chest and the shoulders, and therefore working dual on your spine as well as opening of the chest and shoulders. Now the next one that you will learn to do is, you can repeat that one that we did. It's called the dynamic spinal twist, and you can repeat it anything from 3 to 5 times on each side. The next one that we'll do is great for a chest opening, especially for children, for adults, for anyone that is doing a lot of desk work, a lot of sitting position. You will roll up a blanket or a towel. Try to place it well in line with your chest, and then in a lying down position, place it directly behind the chest. And the most important part is to allow the shoulders to drop down in a gap in space that is open. And then it would be great if you want to, you can stay lying down flat like this with your hands down. But if you tend to have a little bit too much of an arch in your neck, then great would be to place another blanket or a soft, very low pillow or a towel just below the head. Not going all the way to the neck and shoulders, but just behind and below the head, and letting the chest open and your hands out. Always remember that the hands are a little lower than the shoulders, so that the heart doesn't have to work too hard to pump blood higher up to the hands. Drop your feet down loose and allow the chest to open fully and the shoulders to drop down between that gap between the two support systems that you have taken. And stay and breathe here, watching the breathing through the stomach. Enlarging, inhaling and exhaling as you hold this position. This is a great one to do every single day, anything from 2 minutes to a maximum of 15 minutes in a day. So you can choose however long you wish to do so. But this will be excellent for you, and you will notice that difference as soon as you come out of it. You will notice that there is a big difference in the opening of the chest and in your posture, and that will help to improve your lung capacity. Now the last one that I will show you is a simple breathing technique, but an absolute must do, and this is the correct way of breathing. We all know that breathing is always done through our stomach. That's the correct way of doing the breathing. I'm just sitting in Vajrasana in this position, but it is not necessary that you do the same. If you have knee problems, please sit in a normal cross-leg position, no problem at all. Sit up on a chair if you wish to. And this is the only breathing technique that you can actually do lying down completely as well. You can also use this breathing technique, it's called compartmental breathing, by also trying to help yourself to fall asleep. So let's run into it quickly. You take both your palms and place it at your navel, at your stomach area. The middle finger is in line with the belly button and then drawn out, and you keep your hands relaxed there. And now watch your breathing at the stomach. Let your stomach expand and open as you inhale, and your stomach slowly pulls in as you exhale. Breathing in, stomach expands and opens. Breathing out, stomach pulls in. I'll do the same at a little side position for you to notice that you breathe in, stomach expands and opens. Breathing out, stomach pulls in. Inhaling, stomach expands and opens. Exhaling, stomach pulls in. This is your first position of the compartmental breathing. The second position where you place your hands is in line with your chest. So you would place your thumb at the base of the armpit, and then the index finger is in line with your chest, and all the other fingers are in line together as well. And then now you watch your breathing at your chest. Inhaling, let the chest and sides open, and exhaling, let the chest slowly sink in. Breathing in, chest, sides open.